Hey, what's up YouTube? Been a minute since I posted. Been staying busy. For those of you that don't follow me on TikTok or Instagram, we got the cage on. Got the new cage from DFW ATV World Headquarters. It's on there. But just wanted to get a quick update. Oh shit, I got a beer can finally. I am installing the DIG RIG Powersports Snorkel adapter for the belt box. That way I don't swamp it again like I did at Rednecks. So in case you want to do it too, I'm just going to show you what I bought just to extend it up. I bought mine from Tri-Edge Garage Off-Road. Shout out to them. I bought a couple different pieces, but all I'm going to end up using is a 190, 245s, and I bought a stick of pipe. They didn't have anything smaller, but this one's about 8 inches. This one's about 5.5. I think I spent like 55 bucks, but I bought paint and glue and I got one piece left there. So this is how I'm doing mine, just to give you a quick idea. If you're interested in doing this, it's pretty easy. It's not rocket science. So we'll start with the 45, and then I'm going with the smaller piece, 5.5. I think I said it was. Doing this one-handed, so bear with me. I'm gonna go with the other 45. Right about there. And then my 90 is gonna be what sticks out above the bed onto the little 8-inch section. This is all 3-inch pipe, by the way. And that guy just drops in there, and it's just gonna stick out just like that. I'm gonna zip tie it to the cage. Make sure you glue it. I'm gonna paint it black. I meant to buy the bed coating, but I got undercoating, but I guess it's gonna be black and rubberized. And now we can go a little bit deeper. Hopefully we don't fill the belt box up with mud anymore. If you also don't follow me on TikTok or Facebook or any of the other social medias, we got the belt, or the sub box here for the RZR. Shout out to William Key with Pull Out Crew, ES Mobile, for hooking me up. And also coming soon, we got the MC2 head unit by Wet Sounds. We're gonna be running a audio forms amp for our 4 speakers, and then this DS18 1100 watt amp is gonna power the sub. That should be done within the next couple weeks, hopefully by next week. But I got a lot of footage sitting on the computer, just haven't got around to editing. I've been busy at work and with this thing and family stuff, so thought I'd bring y'all a quick update. Like always, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. We're almost to 4,000 subs, so that's pretty cool. But oh yeah, in case y'all don't follow me, also last week I did make it out to River Run. I got there about 8 p.m. and we rode till about 4 in the morning. But I lost my phone, so I got 0 footage. If y'all go out to River Run and find an iPhone, turn it in, let me know. Might be mine. Thanks guys. Have a great weekend.